Oswald Jensen is an over 100 years old company who's developed and produced transmission parts for a wide range of industries. We produce high quality worm gears, gear wheels, worms and gears here at our factory in Denmark. We maintain a close dialogue with our customers through the design and development phase to ensure we arrive at the right solution, the right quality and the right price. The collaboration between Oswald Jensen and OnRobot started when OnRobot in the developing phase needed consultancy, professional discussion and adjustment of the gears in the gripper. OnRobot experienced problems and contacted therefore Oswald Jensen, whose profile is to be a solution-oriented business partner regarding gears and gearboxes. We can first of all advise in developing phase, 2, be a partner in the prototyping, and 3, be a manufacturer in the series production. We solved the problem for OnRobot, and actually today we are using the gripper in our daily production. To stay competitive in a high-cost country like Denmark, and at the same time demonstrate we are a modern company, we have decided to invest in technology that gives us the best return. We have invested a lot in our CNC machines, and with collaborative robots, especially the OnRobot gripper, we can in a very cost-effective way automate them. Therefore, in 2015, we invested in our first OnRobot gripper and had a return on investment in less than 3 months. The machine operator has also been relieved from tedious work, and the machine can now continue working when the operator has left the workshop. In the meantime, OnRobot has developed a dual gripper solution, which compared to the single gripper, increases the productivity on the CNC machine simply by being able to handle 2 objects at the same time. We realized that with yet another cost-effective investment, we could improve our productivity even further. To sum it all up, we intend to invest further to ensure that we take full advantage of the collaborative robots.